There's a couple of easy ways to make your phone number private when making phone calls on your iPhone. If you want to make your number private just for a single phone call, you can type *67 in front of the phone number. That'll make your number private in the US and Canada. In other regions, there are similar codes to use, and I'll include some examples here for all you international viewers out there. When you make a call like this, the recipient will see it like this, with no caller ID. If you want to make your number permanently private, we can do that too. We'll go to Settings first and scroll all the way down to Apps. Then from the Apps menu, you'll find the Phone app. Once you get to the phone settings, you'll scroll down until you see Show My Caller ID. It might load for a minute, but you should see a toggle like this that can be turned off. Turn it off and your caller ID will be hidden when making calls. If this option is grayed out or missing, it means your carrier has locked the feature. You'd have to log into your carrier's app or website and enable caller ID blocking from there. Also keep in mind that some people have enabled a setting that automatically blocks anonymous calls. If you call someone and the call immediately drops, it's probably because your caller ID is hidden. So that's how you hide your number. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more guides like this.